Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that may answer your questions or doubts you have in your situation, guys. Sagittarius, so let's start with these cards. We have Nine of Earth, Six of Earth, and Six of Fire. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are someone who wants a secure and safe future. So you plan everything diligently, guys, and you are working towards your dreams and goals, whatever you need to achieve. And you are someone who is really focused and responsible. You have a responsible attitude in your work situation and you are extremely disciplined. So whatever needs to be done at the right time, you are going for that action, and you want a safe and secure situation for yourself. So you are making honest efforts, doing everything possible in the right way today, so you can focus on your dreams and goals for the future, guys. And you are really confident about yourself, confident about your skills and talents, and that may be the reason your responsible nature, your dedication is what is paying off today, guys, because you see some kind of a surprise coming towards you, unexpected changes, some pleasant surprise maybe in your relationship. So something that you expected in a particular timeline, maybe after a few months or after a few days, is reaching you beforehand. So some kind of a happy news, something coming up, and you are simply happy, feeling more confident and relieved actually. Or it may be a happy surprise in this relationship. Maybe this person is coming with commitment, engagement, or marriage, and you feel really inspired, happy for the way things are going, guys. And maybe for some of you, when you are with this person, you truly feel inspired and you love them, and they are the source of inspiration for you. You feel really confident and happy to be with this person, and the way things are going for you in your relationship, you are feeling really confident that this connection will move towards marriage or commitment, guys. So that may be the surprise. So maybe they are coming with a proposal, marriage proposal or an engagement proposal, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Sagittarius, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit, and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. so you need not look for something outside. So you just need to what to say, be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your what to say, that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.